ready to clean the barn stall out for Frank. Frank. Gonna clean Frank's stall out, and we're gonna put it in the manure spreader. Sorry folks, I got my finger in the video. This manure is heavy whenever it's wet. Fertilizing. It's like recycling. Farmers, this stuff stinks.
Ben, what do you think the hardest part about cleaning out the barn is?
Cracking your back.
Did you crack your back?
Yes.
What about the smell? Does it stink bad? You don't like the smell of it?
You glad we're done with this job, Ben?
Yeah, but now what are we going to do?
We're going to go spread it. You going to help me?
Yep. Going to the field to spread manure. We've been shoveling. farming is I get to drive the truck in the field. Feeding time. It's been a busy day here at Rocky Knob. We're gonna feed and then we're gonna get some stuff done in the high tunnel. Going to feed Frank.
Hey, we got some pigs here coughing a little bit, and I don't like to give antibiotics unless necessary. But I'm gonna give them a shot of Duramycin where they've been chipped in case they caught anything or got pneumonia. We're not hurting these pigs. It's just nature that they squeal when you grab a hold of them. Did you get it?
Yep.
Alright. Been a busy day. We're thankful it's a beautiful day. And it's been kind of warm. Feeling like spring still. I'm going to try to shine the lights for Tanner to put water in the chicken house. Got these good LEDs. They really light up things, as you can see.
Got my egg bucket.
I tell you what, that farmer friend, he's a real farmhand. Watch him work.
Got the heat on in the greenhouse already tonight. We'll get down around 20.
We decided to go ahead and till the high tunnel. As you can see, we've got plenty of lights. And it makes it nice, especially in the summer.
Unfortunately, we tilled Tanner's headphones whenever they fell off the tractor. We got her tilled up. It looks pretty nice.
Yeah, we gotta get all these rocks up here.
Yep.
Make it easier to climb.
Right now?
Not tonight. I'm tired. I'm ready to plant tomatoes in here, ain't you, Finn?
I'm ready to plant green beans.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. We got more videos uploading soon.